Triboluminescence is an optical occurrence when the chemical bonds of the substance are broken down and a light is emitted.
When the bonds are broken, the charges are separated.
When the protons and electrons move back together, this is when the light is emitted.
This happens because when the molecules are crushed and broken, it forces some of the electrons out of the molecule.
These electrons then bump into the nitrogen in the air, passing off some of their energy.
Most of the light that is emitted is ultraviolet, but some is in the visible spectrum that we can see as a bluish-white light.
When the nitrogen molecules return to their ground state, they give off the light.
We have a few demos to show off this phenomenon.
In this experiment, we're going to take 2 sugar cubes and rub them together and see what happens. In this case, the energy we put into rubbing them together should convert into light energy and create a bluish glow.
When wintergreen lifesavers are crushed, they release a blue light. And the reason that the light is so bright is because the flavoring methyl salicylate is fluorescent, and that means that it takes light of shorter wavelength and emits it of light of a longer wavelength. Thus, it absorbs the light, the ultraviolet light, and releases it as a light that we can visually see.
In this demo, we'll take 2 pieces of duct tape. First, we'll stick them together, and then we will pull them apart. The luminescence is triggered from the friction of the 2 tape pieces. When we pull them apart, there will be a blue light.
Go. Alright, ready?
The luminescence isn't showing up in the dark in the camera, so this is essentially what we're doing for this one.
Okay, so it's not really picking up on the camera either, but this is the action that we're doing with the wintergreen mints, and it gives off a blue glow. So.